Hope everyone is fine. Now we are going to start the new topic from the statistics, that is less than OGU and more than OGU. Okay, so the question is convert the following table into less than and more than types, OGU types. Okay, why do you require less than and more than OGUs? We already discussed about the median using the formula, how to find the median, the formula and examples, everything we discussed. Okay, so by using this less than and more than OGUs also, we can find the median of a given data. So before you find the median, let's see how to find less than and more than types. So here the table is given to you, expenditure in rupees and number of workers. Okay, so I converted this table into horizontal table or vertical table. Okay, now just first to understand less than and more than types, you need to understand what actually this class intervals means. So for example, if I take 100 to 150, there are 24 persons who are earning the rupees between 100 to 150 in a month or in a day, whatever it is. And there are 150 to 200 rupees, there are 40 persons who are earning the amount. Sorry, this is expenditure is given. Okay, so 24 people are spending 100 to 150 rupees, and this means 40 people are spending from 150 to 200 rupees. Maybe it is per day or per month, it's not mentioned in the question. And there are 33 people who are spending between 200 to 250. For example, if I ask you the question, how many people are spending between 100 to 200? Okay, so 100 to 200 if I want, so I can count 100 to 150, then 150 to 100. 200. So these two, the sum of these two numbers will give me the number of people who are spending between 100 to 200. That is 64 persons are there who are spending between 100 to 200. Now if I ask you 100 to 400, how many persons are there who are spending the amount between 100 to 400? If I frame the question that way. So what do you want? Just you have to add all these numbers. Am I right? Between 100 to 400, how many people are spending the amount? So 24 people from 100 to 150 and 40 for 150 to 200, 33 for 200 to 250. So the highlighted column numbers will be added. Then I can tell you how many people are there between who are actually spending the amount between 100 to 400. So less than type is similarly that way only. Okay, so if I say less than 100, for example, here if I write less than 100, we don't have any data between less than 100. Less than 100, nobody is spending, so number will be 0. So that's why instead of less than, here I'll put less than 150. How many persons are spending the amount less than 150? So 100 to 150, if there are 24 people, so less than 150 also there will be 24 persons only. Now here if I say less than 200, now here you have to be careful. If I say less than 200, so it includes the amount from 0 to 200. Because less than 100 means if I spend 102 rupees, that is also less than 200. If I spend 145, that is also less than 200. If I spend 165, that is also less than 200. If I spend 199, that is also less than 200. So if I want less than 200, so I have to add both the numbers from 100 to 200. So which will be 64. So next one will be less than 250. So less than 250, if I say, I have to include all the numbers from 100 to 250. So I think 97 will come if I add all the three numbers. Next one, if I go less than 300. So less than 300 means from 100 to 300. So sum of all these numbers will give you less than 300. So what do you get here? This if I add 105, I think 125 will come, less than 300. Then less than 350 will come. Less than 350 means sum of all these numbers. Okay. So what I do is, I already know sum of these four numbers is 125. So just I had to add 30 to it. So 125 plus 30, 155. Now if I go for less than 400, okay. So less than 400 will give me 155 plus 22, 177. Then less than 450 is 193 will come, because sum of all these numbers if you add continuously, so this sum will give you 193. Or I know sum of these numbers is 177, so 177 plus 16 will be 193. Now similarly, if I go here less than 500, less than 500 means everybody is spending the amount less than 500 only. Okay, so sum of all these numbers will give me less than 500, that will be 200. If you recall, these numbers will be similarly as we used in the finding median, where you found the cumulative frequency. So less than type and the process which used in the median to find the cumulative frequency, both are same only, but there I did not use the word less than type, but here we have to use it. Okay, so less than type is first numbers of the frequency and the cumulative frequency will remain the same. But from the second number onwards, here the second number is 40, here the second number is 64. The 64 I am getting by adding all these numbers. So understand the word this less than 200. What exactly less than 200 means? Less than 200 means from 100 to 200. All those persons who are spending the amount from 100 to 200. So 100 to 200 has to be given by the addition of these two numbers. Okay, similarly, if I go less than 400, less than 400 is from 100 rupees to 400 rupees. I am talking 100 to 400 because our intervals is starting from 100 only. Or otherwise, if it is starting from 0, then you can take from 0 to 400. So all those persons who are spending the amount between 100 to 200 will be included in less than 4 frequency. That cumulative frequency is 200. If you observe the less than type, less than 150, less than 200, less than 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, less than 500. These are all the upper limit of the respective class intervals. Okay. So when it comes to more than now, let's see how does it work. Hope you understand the less than method. If I say more than, now I cannot say more than 150 here. If I say more than 150, so more than 150 means it has to be greater than 150. So 100 to 150 will not be included in your count. Because if I say more than 150, how can I include between 100 to 150? Right? So that's why instead of more than 150, here I have to use more than 100. Okay. So more than 100, how many are there? Now this is to be tricky. More than 100, how many are there? Everyone is spending more than 100 only, right? From first 100 rupees to 500, everyone is more than 100 only. So total 200 persons are spending more than 100. Understood? So next one will be more than 150. So how many are spending more than 150? When I say more than 100 here, what I have done is more than 100 is sum of all these numbers. That is already giving me 200. Now if I say more than 150, so I cannot include these numbers. 100 to 150 will not be included in more than 150. So I have to add only these numbers. If I add sum of all these numbers, it will give me, I think, 176. Okay. So next one will come more than 200. When I say more than 200, so it will be added only these numbers. Okay. So the sum of all these numbers will give me 136. Next one, more than 250. If I say more than 250, so I have to add all these numbers. If you add all these numbers, so what do you get? 28 means 7, 8 will come, 108. Okay. So next one will be more than 300. More than 300 is sum of all these numbers say adding every time of these numbers will be little bit difficult. So you can introduce the shortcut method.